What's up, guys? You saw the title of the video. I am very worried, but yeah. So I'm not sure if I'm going to use my original plan was to mix these two, and like on the black part where just like it goes from like here to here, like, you know, I was gonna mix those two so I can kind of get like a color in between, but I'm not sure. Low key, if this is enough dye, I might just do this color. I don't know, because I have a lot of hair, so I don't know if this is gonna be enough dye. I haven't opened it yet, but yeah. So first of all, I don't know, I'm gonna do me and my boyfriend's hair, but he's just gonna do like a little patch. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna spend some time in, I think you're supposed to do it on dry hair, so I'm just gonna spend some time section this off in 4 and like comb it out, and yeah, I'll be back. So for some reason, it's the same color box dye that I opened, but putting it in there, they're 2 different colors. Hopefully that has something to do with like how fast I mix one compared to the other. But yeah.
Yo.
You recording?
Yeah, kinda, sorta.
Here we go.
Is it getting it?
Yeah, you want me to go? His hair out of the box braids right now, but I don't really see, it's been like 6 minutes, I don't really see like a color change yet, but yeah, we're gonna keep going. Okay, here we go. Been about 25 minutes like the thing said. Hey, what do you think? Or do you if you can put it on for longer if you want it to be a little lighter.
Really?
Yeah.
Make it a little bit lighter.
Okay, I don't know if I can really tell. It's not showing how I'm seeing it. It's like chocolate brown. Yeah, it's about chocolate brown. That is the color I want though. I'm gonna just stick with that and try to return those boxes.
Go a little bit lighter.
Okay. Okay, so yeah, he's done. He's in the shower, rinsing that out. But let's get started on mine. I'm not gonna go all the way to the root. If I want to later, I might go back and touch that part up, all the way up to the root. But for now, we're just gonna do this. Okay. I'm gonna try to do this little section on the camera, but it's really hard to like see. I'm gonna start on my ends and then go to the, you know, after that. Okay, that's good. Now I'm just gonna rub it in. Make sure that it's all good. A little bit more. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit more just because I think I have more than enough. Wanna make sure it's covered. Don't spend too much time on one section. Let me get this. Okay, this part. Here we go. And then I'm gonna rub it in really good. Okay, so as you can see, I have it in this plastic cap. I've had it in for about 10 minutes, maybe. Actually, it'll be 3 minutes till 10 minutes. So I'll be back in a second. Okay, now it's been like 10 minutes. I'm gonna take this off and see what color it is. I can't really tell on the camera, but it is actually lighter. I'm gonna keep going though. Okay, check back in like 15 minutes, I guess. Okay, I'm gonna have to insert clips because you can't, I mean, you can kind of see. There, that's a good angle, I guess. It's changing colors in person, like it doesn't look different on camera, but it's changing colors in person. But yeah, I'm probably gonna wait like, okay, first of all, the top half, I didn't even really get that close to my roots. I didn't want to, but I guess I kind of did because the top half is kind of dying a bit faster than the rest. So that's why I'm having the bag only over like half of my head versus this part too. But yeah, it's probably been there like 35 minutes. I'm gonna wait about 10 more minutes and then I'll be back. Have the flash on. Maybe y'all can see a little bit better the color change. Like, okay, like how I said, I ran out of dye. So this, I'll have to go back to the store and do this. But this versus this, I don't know, y'all see the difference? Yeah, I don't know. I do like it. It's just not what I thought it was gonna be a little bit lighter. Guess we'll see how it really looks like once I like style. It really looks like nothing happened in the camera, but I promise the color did change. I do wish I used 2 boxes of these and 1 box of this. So that is definitely what I'm gonna do next time. But yeah, I'm about to wash this out. Just put some moisturizer in it, brush it back, and go to the store, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, yeah. I'm sorry. Alright, I'll see y'all after I wash this out. I meant to take off the bag so y'all could see, but I'm gonna actually put it on with a flash really quick because you really can't see a difference without it. So, but yeah, if you could see, it's like lighter on the compared to this side. It is lighter. Yep. Okay, guys, so this is out the shower. You can see it a little bit better now. A little bit better. Oh, there it goes with the light. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and tie this back and head to the store. Okay, so it's the next day. I finally got the other box. So yeah, I'm gonna go to finish right now. Okay, it's on. I'm gonna wait 25 minutes with the bag on I guess my whole head, yeah. Put the bag on my head. And then, yeah, I'm just gonna be making breakfast or whatever. I'll be back. It's been about 20 minutes, so it's definitely changing. But I think I'm gonna leave it on for like 10 more minutes. Yeah. In about 35 minutes or so. So what I'm gonna do is probably just pull it back into like a slick back for the week, and then do a protein treatment the Friday of next week. So yeah, I already have a protein treatment video out if you want to check out my channel, but I'll probably do another protein treatment video anyway.